In today's video, I'm going to share the dark version of the options and stock trading journal. Previously, I made a video about the options and stock trading journal, and recently I have added some new features. This includes a sub-strategy column, columns to record multiple exit points, and a calendar view that shows daily P&L. This trading journal is designed for traders who trade options and stocks within the same trading account. It is suitable for all kinds of option strategies such as buying call or puts, debit or credit spreads, diagonal spread, cash secure puts, covered call, buying and selling stocks, and more. In this video, I will show you examples of how to input data for various option strategies into the journal. Before you start using this trading journal, go to the Start tab to set your starting month and year. You can input any month and year, and the journal will list all the 12 months below. Next, input your account starting capital and add your strategy names under the All Strategy column. You can input up to 30 trading strategies. If English is not your primary language, you can customize some of the keywords in this journal by replacing them. Once you have entered the necessary details in the Start tab, you can begin inputting trading data into the Trading Journal tab. This journal includes a position sizing calculator to help determine the maximum risk per trade based on your net liquidation value and percentage of risk per trade. If you trade stock, it also helps you calculate the entry and target level. Now let me show you step by step on how to input data into the trading journal. Let's start with single leg options such as buying and selling calls or put options. First, input the trade number, select the trade direction from the drop-down list, and enter the stock ticker. Select the strategy name from the drop-down list. If you trade strategies like cash secure put or covered call, which require rolling, you can enter rolling under the sub-strategy column. Enter the strike price, option expiration date, and the break-even price at expiration. The days to expiration column will automatically calculate how many days are left if the trade is still open. Input the entry date and time, number of contract, and net entry price. When buying options, whether it's call or put, enter the price with a minus sign to indicate an outflow of money. Enter the commission paid at trade entry. Under risk management section, input the buying power required, maximum profit, and maximum loss at expiration. The risk percentage per trade and risk to reward ratio columns will automatically calculate after entering this detail. After closing the trade, enter the exit date and time, exit contract quantity, and exit price. If you exit the trade at multiple points, input your second and third exit contract and prices in the respective column. You can hide exit 2 and exit 3 column if you only exit at one point. The net quantity column will display the number of contracts left in the trade. The average exit price column will calculate the average price if you exit in multiple points. Enter the total commission paid at exit. Now let me show you how to input data for stock trades. For stock trade, follow this step. First, input the trade number, select the trade direction, enter the stock ticker, and select the strategy from the drop-down list. If you receive stock assignment from selling puts, you can enter assignment from cash secure put as the sub-strategy. Ignore the strike price, expiration date, and break-even price column. Enter the trade entry date and time, number of shares, entry commissions, and the buy or sell stock price. If you buy to open the trade, enter the stock price under buy stock column. Under risk management, enter the buying power, make profit, and make loss. After exiting the trade, input the exit date and time, exit shares, and exit price. If you exit in multiple points, you can input out to 3 exit prices. Enter the exit commission and any dividend received. Now let me show you how to input data for multi-leg option strategies. For multi-leg strategies like diagonal spread or iron condor, follow this step. First, enter the trade number, select the trade direction, enter the stock ticker, and select the strategy name from the drop-down list. For diagonal spread, enter details like buy call and sell call under the sub-strategy column. For iron condor, enter the call side and put side under the sub-strategy column. Input the strike price, expiration date, and break-even price at expiration. Under open position, enter the entry date and time, number of contract, and net entry price. If the trade require a debit, enter the price with a minus sign. Enter the entry commission, buying power, make profit, and make loss. After closing the trade, input the exit details including exit date, exit contract, and exit price, and also enter the exit commission. Once you have entered all trade details, the journal will automatically calculate the trade duration, profit and loss, return on investment percentage, profit and loss per day, cumulative P&L, win or loss status, trade status, whether it's still open or closed, account balance, percentage gain or loss, and the drawdown after each trade. If you deposit or withdraw funds, put a dash sign in the trade number column to prevent prevent it being counted as a trade. Enter the date you input or withdraw the fund. Under the deposit or withdrawal column, put a minus before the amount if you withdraw the money. Next, calendar view allows you to select a date range and view the daily P&L. At the top of the drop-down list, select the date range. You can select out to 5 years of that range. The profitable days are in green while the losing days are in red. Next, monthly reports allows you to analyze the track performance and statistics of a certain month. First, select the month from the drop-down list above, and it will list out all the track details on a certain month. It will also show track statistics such as profit and loss, win rate, return on investment, and other. It also shows the account balance, total P&L by ticker, strategy performance, cumulative P&L, and account drawdown of the selected month. Next, the strategy dashboard allows you to analyze the performance of each strategy. From the drop-down menu above, select the strategy that you want to analyze, and it will show the statistic of the selected strategy. If you want to view the statistic of all strategy, select from the drop-down menu all strategy, and it will list out all the trades that you have taken. For example, if you want to analyze a few particular strategy, click on the funnel sign here, uncheck all the strategy, and select the strategy that you want to analyze, such as covered call and cash secure put. Click OK, and it will list only the strategy that involve cash secure put and covered call. It will show you the total P&L, average win and loss, win rate, and return on investment when you're trading this few particular strategy. The chart on the right will show you the total P&L by ticker and the total P&L by sub-strategy. The ticker dashboard allows you to analyze the performance by each stock ticker. Select the stock ticker from the drop-down list, and it will list out all the trades that are associated with the selected ticker. The chart here will show you the P&L by strategy when trading a particular stock. The strategy statistic tab will show you the monthly performance of each strategy in terms of return on investment percentage. It will also show you the top performance strategy and bottom performing strategy. In the expiration date lookup, you can select an expiration date from the drop-down menu to view all trades expiring on that date. This helps you monitor open trades, ensuring you don't forget to close or adjust them before expiration. Lastly, the most important part of this trading journal is the main trading dashboard. It shows a comprehensive overview of your account trading activity. It displays your account summary, such as account starting and ending balance, total P&L, win rate, total ROI, and account statistics such as average win and loss. The pie chart shows your trade performance, such as number of winning or losing trade, as well as long or short trades. The table below shows monthly trade statistics. You can select the date range up to 5 years, and the table below will show you the statistic accordingly. The graph of monthly performance in P&L, ROI, and winning and losing trade will change according to the date range you have selected. The graph on the right allows you to have a glance at your overall period trading performance, such as account balance, which shows the total value of the account at a given point in time over the whole period. Account drawdown shows the maximum loss the account incurred over the whole period, and account cumulative P&L shows the net profit or loss accumulated over time. You can also have a glance at the overall performance of individual tickers and trading strategy to know how individual stock and strategy have contributed to the overall performance of the account, as well as the monthly performance in terms of ROI, profit and loss, and winning and losing trade. In conclusion, using a trading journal helps traders analyze their trades and improve performance over time. Personally, I have been using a trading journal since the beginning, and it has helped me identify my strengths and weaknesses, allowing me to make adjustments and improve my trading strategies. If you are serious about improving your trading performance, I highly recommend using this trading journal. Thanks for watching until the end. Do check the description or comment section below for more details on these options and stock trading journal. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.